Hey everybody, this is Ryan and welcome to Remac's Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make homemade PB Macs. 10 years ago I made this recipe on this YouTube channel. And since then it has over 24,000 views. And for the 10-year anniversary, I decided to go back and revisit the homemade PB Macs. This time I'm going to make a new cookie recipe for it, and I'm going to use homemade peanut butter. In the food processor, we're going to add 4 cups of roasted peanuts. And then we're going to mix it until it's halfway blended. And then we're going to add 1/3 cup of agave nectar and 1/3 cup of light olive oil. And then we're going to blend it again. And next we're going to scrape down the sides. And then we'll blend one more time. And now we're going to put this peanut butter in the refrigerator so it can firm up. Now we're going to make the cookie recipe, which is 1 cup of margarine, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to mix that together. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of unbleached flour, 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup of oat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And then we're going to mix it together until it's well blended. And then we're going to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. And then we're going to slowly blend this until it's well incorporated. Just like this. Then we'll place the cookie dough in each square. We're going to spread each cookie dough out. We're going to push each cookie dough with a fork. That way when it bakes, it won't buckle up underneath. And we'll bake it at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While that's baking, we're going to make small pellets and put them on a cookie sheet. And we'll bake these at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. After that's baked, we're going to put these cookie pieces in a bowl. As you can see, the cookie is not buckled underneath, and it's also crunchy. You can tell by the firmness of it. And then we're going to place all these on a plate. We're going to melt the chocolate for about a minute, stirring it 30 seconds at a time. Once it's melted, we're going to add more chocolate to the melted chocolate. And this is called tempering the chocolate. And then we're going to spread the back of the cookie with the melted chocolate, including the sides. And then we're going to place each cookie chocolate side up. We're going to put these in the refrigerator so the chocolate will set. Just like this. And then we're going to flip each cookie right side up. And then we're going to add some peanut butter. We'll place the cookie pellets on each cookie. And then we're going to put it in the freezer so the peanut butter will firm up. We're going to pour the melted chocolate over each cookie. Make sure it's completely covered. Then we're going to place these in the refrigerator one more time. And this is how yours should look like. It tastes way better than the one I did 10 years ago. And I like to eat them with a glass of milk. It's so good. The recipe will be in the description, so give it a try.